I chose University of Minnesota because they have a really good nursing program, and I visited the campus and I thought it was beautiful.
I loved the size of it, and when I toured the university last summer, I just loved the feel of the campus. I thought it was beautiful.
My highlight was going to the football game. I had a really good time and I met some really cool people.
Definitely meeting all the great people and exploring the beautiful campus.
Going to the first football game and seeing all the pride and spirit that everyone has in the student section.
I'm glad that the University of Minnesota and its libraries can offer me such valuable resources that I'll definitely be using.
I think there's a lot of resources, which I love because everyone says like, oh, textbooks are so expensive.
I learned that you could get like free textbooks online possibly through the library, so that's great.
I learned about all of the resources like the studying services and the tutoring things that they have in Walter Library.
There's a button maker in the library.
Yes, the innovation
Makerspace.
The libraries are always open and they're always available. I also learned that there's a maker break room, which has all kinds of new games that you can play.
Free 3D printing, that is amazing.
Go Gophers!
Go Gophers!
Sky Yuma! Go Gophers! Sky Yuma!
Sky Yuma!
Go Gophers!
Sky Yuma!
Sky Yuma!
Go Gophers.
Yeah!
Sky Yuma!